I have this bell that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by painting it in Wise Owl white primer and allow that to dry. I took this clear ornament and I also painted that in the Wise Owl white primer and set it on top of the bell. The stem of the ornament fit in the hole at the top of the bell. Once all that dried, I'm going to take my white chalk paste from Redesigned by Prima. I'm going to add this to the entire bell and ornament at the top, and this is just going to give me that full coverage without me having to do layers of white paint. And I really like the texture as well. Once dry, I'm going to make a very simple face. I'm just going to make these lines with eyelashes coming out from the bottom. I'm going to put a little Republic red, white on each side and then add Republic red and mix it till it's this rosy pinkish color. And then I'm going to do just a dab for the mouth of the same color that I just had on my brush. I'm just going to make an upside down line for the nose. And then I took some Spanish moss and almost put it in a halo shape at the top and glued it with some hot glue. Then I just take some scissors and trim it up so it's nice and neat. Then I'm going to take a silver pipe cleaner and I'm going to make a circle and just twist it. And I'm going to make a halo and glue that on top of my Spanish moss. I'm going to take 2 more pipe cleaners and wrap it around the neck just to fill in that space where the bell and the ornament met. And it's just going to give her a nice collar. These are my favorite bows. I get them at just $1. I work with them a lot. And I'm going to use these as the wings. And I'm going to glue them towards the back. Then I found these little stickers at the Dollar Tree. They're stars in silver and gold. And I took 2 of the smaller stickers on the panel and put them on her collar. I think she came out really pretty, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.